I feel happy that I'm here at Simplex, and I love the work experience program.
So work experience here at Applewood is a really big part of our program, and we prepare students for employment after graduation. So the first couple years we focus on in-school work experience, so giving students the opportunity to develop skills that will help them once they go on to placement or once they go on to employment. So for example, we have a full-service cafeteria where they learn all the kitchen skills they need. We have a hospitality program where they can learn to fold or hang clothes for retail or other hospitality work placements. We do a lot of administrative work so that they can go and work in offices. We have a full-service car wash and so many more things so that when they go out to placement, they already know the hard skills needed to work at those jobs. So during the students' last couple years at Applewood, they get the opportunity to go out to different businesses for placement, and they can go out up to 4 days per week. The students get to take public transit to all their placements, so they learn all about transit training and community safety.
Right now we're working with about 17 different employers, and that grows every year. To name just a few would be Cineplex, Boston Pizza, HomeSense, Giant Tiger, Eden Food Bank. There's so many.
So during their time here, the students have developed they've improved on their team building skills, their cooperation skills, definitely their communication skills. When they first were here, really quiet to start. As the weeks went on, you could tell that they were enjoying themselves more and more and becoming more open with myself and the other employees in the kitchen.
Sonia's in the kitchen assisting our baker. So she's doing a lot of portioning of the cookie dough, making scone mixes. We often have cookie orders that we need to bag and ribbon, and she'll do that, put the cookies in the bag, tie the ribbon, curl the ribbon. She's happy to do it. She's never complained about any task that's been given to her, and she just sort of puts her head down and does the work, and it's great.
The work experience is definitely valuable to the students, and this experience the work experience that they're gaining now is transferable to later on in life, whatever field they may step into. So this helps them with their time management, this helps them with working with their peers, so without a doubt this will definitely help them down the road.
I like to work because I like learning new things, to like how I can learn myself how to cut and how to do meals.
I'm proud to come to work by myself and work with kids. I love working here and I'll learn so much from my coworkers.
I have been so thankful because I love how they have me and stuff. It's just so wonderful here. I love working with different people. I like learning about different things. I think the skills that I learned, they can take me somewhere else.
So having Sonia here as part of the work experience program has been great, I think, both for her and for us. She's a very pleasant person and works hard and is great to have in the kitchen.
I would definitely say this work experience is valuable to the students. They get to come in, they learn not only just the workplace environment, but they also get to learn more real-life skills as well.
It's been awesome to work with the students from Applewood. It's been a great experience.
When you're in here, they're part of the family.